The answer is very good. Very good.
5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Aisha, 5 add 2. 5 add 4.
5,
Add 4.
7, 8, 9.
Answer is
9.
4 add 3.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Add 3.
5, 6, 7.
What is the answer?
7.
Very good.